hello, morning. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for dropping by. My name is Eileen and I'm so glad to have you back again. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the integrity of clothes and how beautifully made and how beautifully handcrafted it is. So I hope that you stick till the end of the video, and let me start with the accessories that I'm wearing. Today I'm wearing my Akoya Japanese strand, but I love it because the luster is very lustrous, more lustrous than a normal pearls. And I'm also wearing my South Sea Baroque pearl drop earrings. So sometimes I like to juxtapose a larger pair of pearl earrings with the tiny details of the Akoya pearl. So if any one of you are interested in the pearls, you can contact me as well, because I do still supply pearl necklaces. I've got a Japanese supplier as well as someone who supplies South Sea pearls. So let me know if you're interested. Please comment down below. You can also get in touch with me via my Facebook or my WhatsApp. So let's start with the blouse that I'm wearing. As you can see, I love this blouse because it's got that crochet details and it's got that small pleating all over on the sleeve as well as the top bit of it. Exquisitely beautiful details and sewing details. It's extremely hard to do this. So what they did is, when they do all these tiny pleats made up of cotton, and then it's interspersed with crochet details all the way to the bottom. And I'm wearing this with this oatmeal colored tweed skirt with a it's even got pockets on it. The blouse is Korean made and the skirt is Japanese made. So as you know, the Koreans and Japanese are very into aesthetics. Not only that the material has to be breathable, as well as very comfortable to wear, and it's timeless and it's classic. When I'm talking about fashion, it's not just buying branded stuff. You got to know how to look at the details of the clothing, the craftsmanship that went into it, the love that went to it, and also the material. Even the oatmeal skirt, the 3D skirt, it's very Chanel like, and it's very soft and very feminine, and it flatters almost any skin tone. Please stick on till the end of the video. I've got two more very beautifully crafted dresses to show you. I gotta make this fast because I can see that the clouds are forming and the storm is coming. The next dress that I've got on is this absolutely beautiful printed, sort of like batik printed dress. Bali made this very famous a few years back, and then now the 1970s style of print is back again. It's beautifully crafted. It has got a sort of like a slight high collar, and it's got buttons going down. I'm wearing a camisole inside, and I'm matching it together with rutilated cords. I think it's 14 karat gold with some tiny rutilated cords. Thought it would match together beautifully with this dress because it has that earthy ochre tone to it. I love how the print goes only at the side, so that it gives the illusion of a very nice body shape, and it's got that print here on the top, and it's got the darker print. So I've tied a ribbon at the back of it. An absolutely scrumptious dress. They put so much effort into the material and in how the patterns should flow on the body. I'm not wearing any accessories with this dress because I want to showcase my hairband, one of the favorites in my hairband collection. This is Korean made. You can see all the beautiful carvings on. It's got a satin base, and then it's got all these metal flowers and bakelite rose on it. Absolutely breathtakingly beautiful. So since the dress has got some red accents to it, I thought I'd just wear this together with the dress because I'm a hair accessories girl. I just love hair accessories, don't you think? And since it's got so much details on it, I'm not wearing any other jewelry. I'll be doing also a close-up of it because sometimes the camera does not pick it out. I especially love the boxy kind of a jutting out pleat to it. I don't know how people did this sewing technology. It's simply astounding. They've got this pleat jutting out on both sides and at the back as well, and it's like a box like thing jutting out, and there's no seam in between. I don't know how they did that. It's absolutely astounding craftsmanship to this dress. And then it's got, this is what I love about this dress, it's got that illusion of a darker color going downwards, and then it's got the white in between, so it gives the illusion of a smaller waistline, and it's got that very tiny band of ribbon for a waist, together with a tiny band of see-through silk covering it. So it's very subdued, not too harsh of a waistline. I absolutely love this. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and I would really appreciate if you could click on that subscribe red button down below, because every subscription means a lot to me, so that I can grow my channel. For those of you who have subscribed, thank you so much. You don't have to spend a great deal of money if you know how to train your eye to look at beautiful details on dresses, and you can get them without paying an arm and a leg, and you look like $1 million. If just like people who love baking or who love painting, to me fashion is like the air I breathe. Since my mom has always dressed me up ever since I was a little girl, and I watched her all my life, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'll see you again next time. See you and bye.